Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jordi Díaz Rosales. Virtae present dialogue. Hi, Suriel, Ian at electronics store. Be what to buy a virtae present for free. But I can't decide. Can you help me? Of course. What are the options? In looking at smartwatch, a tablet, and wireless headphones. Our friends loves technology. Which one is the most useful? The tablet is bigger than the smartwatch and it is great for watching videos and studying. That's true, but the smartwatch is more practical because he can use it every day. What about the wireless headphones? They are cheaper than the tablet and lighter than the other devices. Yes, and the loves listening to music. The headphones are also easier to carry. Which device has the best battery life? The smartwatch has the longest battery life, but the smartphones are the most comfortable for in. So, do you think the headphones are the best option? Yes, either they are more useful for his hobbies and they are less expensive than the tablet. Great, ideal, y the wireless headphones. Perfect, don't forget to choose a nice color and wrap the present. Thank you for your help, Suriel. You're welcome, Ian Suriel. Hey, love is Britai present. Thank you, teacher.